Today we're going to learn the present simple of the verb to do or to make, hacer. Empecemos. The first thing you need to know is that to do or to make, hacer, belongs to the second group or segunda conjugación, and it is an irregular verb. Even though this is an irregular verb, it is a good practice for you to remove the er from the infinitive as you could have done with a regular verb, since irregular verbs still follow the regular rules for some persons. These are the roots of the verb hacer in the present simple. As you can see, only one person is irregular, which means that the rest of the present simple is regular, which is really good. As now, you will only need to remember the endings of the regular er verbs in the present simple. Do you remember them? Just in case, let's do it together. O, es, e, hemos, eis, en. And now, as I always do, let's compare the English tense with the Spanish. To do, to make, hacer. I do, yo hago. You singular do. Tú haces. He does. Él hace. She does. Ella hace. You singular formal do. Usted hace. We do. Nosotros, nosotras hacemos. You plural do. Vosotros, vosotras hacéis. They do. Ellos, ellas hacen. You plural formal do. Ustedes hacen. And remember, in Spanish the personal pronoun is not necessary as the endings tell us who is doing the action. Vamos a practicar. Let's do some practice together from Spanish to English and from English to Spanish. You have a little box on the left to help you if you need to check it out. Ejercicio 1. I do. Yo hago. You singular do. Tú haces. He does. Él hace. You singular formal do. Usted hace. We do. Nosotros, nosotras hacemos. You plural do. Vosotros, vosotras hacéis. They do. Ellos, ellas hacen. Ejercicio 2. They do. Ellos, ellas hacen. She does. Ella hace. You plural formal do. Ustedes hacen. I do. Yo hago. You singular formal do. Usted hace. He does. Él hace. We do. Nosotros, nosotras hacemos. Ejercicio 3. Nosotros, nosotras hacemos. We do. Ella hace. She does. Usted hace. You singular formal do. Tú haces. You singular do. Ellos, ellas hacen. They do. Ustedes hacen. You plural formal do. Yo hago. I do. Ejercicio 4. Ella hace. She does. Vosotros, vosotras hacéis. You plural do. Usted hace. You singular formal do. Él hace. He does. Yo hago. I do. Ellos, ellas hacen. They do. Nosotros, nosotras hacemos. We do. Buen trabajo. Hasta la próxima clase. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.